Hi everyone, I'm here today to tell you about my new online class. It's called The Fairy Garden. The entire project was inspired by a poem from the 1800s by Adelaide Proctor. And in the poem she talks about an imaginary encounter in nature with a fairy. And so in this project and the class, I am providing printables for making fairies, and I've included the poem as well. So what the class consists of is the full journal. We're making the layered cover, we are binding in some pages, we're making fairy embellishments, and we're also making storage pockets. The journal is mainly for nature lovers who want to collect plants, flowers, twigs, maybe bark, things like that to bring indoors. So what I'm also going to cover are some tips for pressing your plants to be able to store them in your journal. I live in an area where winters are cold and long, and so I enjoy having some plants indoors with me that I've pressed over the warmer seasons so that I can just sit and admire them and maybe even use them in my journal projects. So if this is something that you think is of interest, then I hope you'll come over and join the rest of us. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm including a slideshow here at the end so that you can see a little bit of a peek inside. Thank you. I hope to see you there.